The objective of Level 4 Diploma in Accounting and Business qualification is to provide learners with an understanding of accounting and business in the broader business context. The program provides industry-focused skills to manage business finances, budgets and cash flow effectively, and to play a key role in business growth. The qualification is regulated by the Office of Qualifications and Examinations Regulation, Ofqual, which regulates qualifications in England. Level 4 Diploma qualification represent practical knowledge, skills and capabilities that are assessed in academic terms, as being equivalent to higher national certificates, HNC, and Year 1 of a 3-year UK bachelor's degree program. The Level 4 Diploma in Accounting and Business is a 120-credit qualification consisting of 6 units of 20 credits each. The qualification is delivered fully online, in 2 duration modes, 6-month fast track and 9-month standard mode. All units within this qualification are internally assessed by LSIB, and externally verified by the awarding body via submission of assignments. Successful completion of this qualification enables learners to progress into or within employment, or join our Level 5 Diploma in Accounting and Business. Get affordable education designed for you and reach new heights in your career. Visit www.lsib.co.uk today.